smoking. Can you tell where I'm going? Because I sure the hells can't. Oh boy, round 2 stuck on the lake and fucking, well, not stuck yet, but we might get lost. This is fun. I have no idea where I'm going right now. I'm just following the road. I think I'm going the right way. Just about got stuck about a quarter mile back. She was real drifted, so I had to give her some more gas. Well, that's a good sign. More shacks. Yeah, keep on heading down. Shoreline's over there, about 50 yards, not far. We are in position. Fuck yeah. Right off the point. I don't know if you guys, yeah, there's the point right there. And then if you notice, we line up perfectly right along the shelf line. There'll be a couple more. There's one that left already. But it's been really slow here. It's been slow across the whole lake, so people have been moving. But usually we're lined up like perfectly. So this is where I'm gonna be. There's another shack right there, so I'm probably gonna actually like move over more, give him some more room. But then again, maybe somebody else might want to pull in here. I don't know. I know everybody, so it's not like I'm gonna piss anybody off. Probably can't see nothing. Turn on my headlamp. It's pretty, but it took me half an hour to get it all unloaded, cleaned out, sort of ish. Stairs on. I got all my jacks under. Just put those under just to keep it stable. She wants to kind of like rock. So those are done. My generator board. I'm gonna come out here probably again after I go get Miss Adventure Works from work. Say that 10 times fast. And then do some more clean out. And yeah, start getting it ready for the 2020-2021 season. Just about the new year. I got it out like I wanted for the new year. I was hoping to have it out by Christmas, but what do you do? Generator running. Just starting to unload some stuff that I don't need in here anymore. First burn of the new wood stove. She's smoking a little bit, but that's to be expected. That's why Miss Adventure Works isn't here right now. She slid right in. So, yeah. Just gonna get set up, clean up some more. I swept a little bit. Pile there. Flies. Always flies in here. I don't know how. It's ridiculous. What?
Hi, courier. Unexpected.
Wood stove. Fishing these 2 holes. In a t-shirt. Told you guys. You guys will not be cold out here. So who's coming fishing? Look at this shit, you guys. Literally just finished filming and showing you guys the shack. And this motherfucker bites. Boom! First one of the shack! Fishy number 2. That was fun. I gotta get going though, you guys.